new line of OEMTOOLS portable utility tool bags offers numerous options that provide safe and ergonomic transportation for your tools and parts. The tool tote bag is perfect for easy transportation, allowing you to effortlessly carry your tools with an adjustable shoulder strap. The wide mouth tool bag provides a wide opening design for easy access to all of your tools. The bucket bag is designed to be used with a 3 to 5 gallon bucket and features tapered interior and exterior tool loops so tools of all sizes stay in place. The rolling utility bag is great for transportation, with smooth rolling casters and a collapsible handle for easy maneuvering. This bag also features removable interior dividers for customized storage. These bags are constructed with 1680D polyester so they can stand up to the toughest conditions. Their storage compartments and pockets can accommodate a wide variety of tools and parts, in sizes ranging from hand tools to saws and power tools. Internal and external storage compartments ensure quick, easy access to the tools you use most. Stop fumbling around looking for the right tool. Grab an OEMTOOLS portable utility bag today.